What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Galaxy S25 Ultra that won't send MMS messages. So first of all, to fix this issue, check your network connection. So if you are getting a bad signal strength, then move to an area where you can get good signals. But after getting good signals, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is turn on mobile data. So sending or receiving MMS messages requires enabled mobile data. So turn this mobile data icon on. So after turning on mobile data, if you are still facing issue while receiving or sending MMS messages, then the next solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, open quick settings panel and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to confirm, and after restarting your phone, the MMS messages issue will be 100% fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is clear the messages app data and cache memory. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here look for the messages app. Now open the messages app and then scroll down and go to its storage. Now to clear the app data, cache memory of the messages app, tap on clear cache and then it will clear the cache memory of messages. Now if you want to clear the app data, then tap on clear data and from the pop-up again tap on delete to confirm. So after doing this, the MMS messages issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.